Hello, welcome. My name is Kimerie Mapletoft, and I'm the leader here of all that we do at Unity Maidenhead and all our events that we enjoy sharing with you as we learn and grow together. Well, this month, the Queen's Jubilee month, there is so much going on in the country that we are celebrating through the joy of our Queen and her service to this country for 70 years on the throne. Well, we invite you also to find things to celebrate in your lives, to take a moment to really recognize the good that you have in your life, even if it's only one thing. There is something all of us can celebrate in our lives today. So I invite you just to take a moment to be still and feel into what you celebrate in your life. Is it family or friends? Is it your environment where you live? We all have something we can celebrate. And that feeling of joy and aliveness invites us to find even more things to celebrate, to share, to give our talents, to receive in return. This is what the Queen has been doing for 70 years, and each of us in our own way can find our own ways of service. We enjoy being with you and serving as we do. And we have much planned for us in Unity that we will be celebrating in July. And you can find those events on our website, www.unityuk.org. But for today, for here and now, let's celebrate something good in our lives, something wonderful that we give and receive. And we say thank you also to the Queen, to her service. And I personally say thank you to all of you for all the ways that you serve in your world, right where you are. Let's celebrate this month. Bless you.